Why is GM investing, almost $900 million in small block V8s? I thought that engine, Paul, was just supposed to be discontinued and we're plugging everything in.
We continue to believe that the ICE portfolio has really strong value. In fact, it's funding the transformation. And when you look at the results that we saw in 2022 with record levels of free cash flow while investing increasing amounts back in the business, that's coming from the ICE portfolio. But we're also called to make that more efficient. And there's a lot of efficiencies that are coming in to those new engines. And they're going to continue to be around for a while as we transform our vehicles into 100% EVs by 2035.